Today we are going to review an e-commerce platform called CommerceHQ. If you are looking for a platform to start your online business, or you're already in an online business, or you are not so satisfied with your current one, I have some cool stuff for you today. During this quarantine period or so-called down periods, I have started with a CommerceHQ. This e-commerce platform was introduced by my friends. As I mentioned, it's designed perfectly for beginners in dropshipping business and is claimed that the highest conversion rate among all the e-commerce platforms. For this reason, I test it for a month, just a basic with what beginner will do. All the product, interest group, ad copy are all recommended by the platform. I did not do any scaling on the Facebook ad, just for cool traffic, sales, and recommended USD $20 per day with a customized budget optimizations, or we call it as CBO in the industry term. After 1 month test the platform, I got the result. I think my review of the CommerceHQ will give you a lot of useful insight. Welcome back to the video. On my last video, I share you about dropshipping business model. Start with a successful dropshipping business with a 7-step, 4 phases of dropshipping business. If you have missed the first part, then click on the link above and go to my previous video. On my second video, I share about 7 simplest tips to guide you and find your winning dropshipping niche. That is really easy and cool. Share a lot of useful insight. If you missed the video, also click on the link above and go to that video to view it. Hi, my name is Mac Klauss. Some of my friends will just call me MK. I'm a full-time digital marketer, and now I'm building up on my own YouTube channel to share my knowledge mostly on how to making money online. If you're first time watch my video, please give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button as well as turn on the bell. And don't forget, leave me a comment. What type of challenge you are facing on dropshipping business or anything related to e-commerce. With that, I can make some video for you. Alright, without further delay, let's zoom into review of CommerceHQ. My personal experience CommerceHQ based on the 4 elements, which is quality, easy to use, features, and support. These are the 4 dimensions that I personally use to measure whether it's a successful e-commerce platform or not. The score that I rate for CommerceHQ on quality is 5 stars. The platform offers a fantasy of functions and features that make it optimized for building an online store. For the ease of use, I also rate it for 5 because the design is intuitive and everyone from newcomer to advanced user can exploit it to its full use. For the features, I personally rate it for 4 stars. CommerceHQ offers a wide array of powerful tools, plugins, and themes that let us take our store into a next level. That all fit into a single bill, so we don't worry about paying different services. For the current right now, CommerceHQ only have a website, but it don't have the mobile app. As a result, we cannot monitor our sales when we are on the move. For the last part is support. From CommerceHQ, I rate it 3 stars. This is only one support team for all the issues you may have regardless of the different features or you may have in our store. They don't have a live chat. All the communication is via email. This is the overall rating that I personally rate. Let's zoom in into more details. 7 things that I like CommerceHQ and 3 minor features that boost my revenue. At the end of the video, I will summarize for you whether CommerceHQ is a value for money. CommerceHQ is more than just a website builder. It is a full-on support system for all our online business needs. In truth, it offers everything we may need during the website creation process. All we need to have on our end are our ideas, product offerings, and a few people to help us to do the work. If you are curious as what is the everything consists of, stick on it and make sure you go through the whole video to find out more. The first features I like the most of the CommerceHQ is the free app. It's called Accelerator app. This helps the beginner build up the confidence in the initial journey. Why I say so is because I was new in the market before. I know how the newbie feel. With no directions, no clue, no skill, don't know what to sell and how to sell. With the Accelerator app, it provides me the latest winning product and even separate the niche for me. This is awesome, as most of the beginners have no market sense on which is the best to sell. Not only that, CommerceHQ provides me the ad copy, target interest group, and the most interesting part is they provide me a 20-second promo video, which makes my journey much more easier. As you can see, I click on the download video button and let it wait for a moment for on download. Whoa, you see, is it great? Here is the result that follow their products, their ad copy, as well as their target interest group, just from the cool traffic sales. All I do is just want to test this out whether it's work or not. The second features I like is the visual store builders, or we call drag and drop website builders. As an entrepreneur, we would want to focus on the most important aspect of our business build up process, and that is the optimization of our product. But what about my website design? No worry, as the CommerceHQ offer a handy and a powerful drag and drop page builders. This means crafting an exclusive and elegant website for our online store is make the whole a lot easier. But it is for advanced user. As a beginner, there is a 5 template. As let us start off, as my testing store, I'm using the template called Vantage. It is very clear and tidy, no design skill and coding needed. They are optimized for conversion and work perfectly on mobile user as well. The third features I personally like is the abandoned cart recovery. For example, if you have a personal went on online shopping in the past, you are mostly probably aware how convenient a cart with and how convenient the cart is. With it, you can explore the whole shop without having to purchase items one by one. All you need to do is just add to cart, and your desired product will be safe and ready to meet you upon checkout. And with CommerceHQ abandoned cart recovery features, my customer will only need to create and log in to their accounts, add item to their cart, leave it be, and still we have there until they are ready to make the purchase. Fourth favorite is the zero processing fees. On another e-commerce platform, they charge processing fee for every transactions, something we wouldn't have to deal with when I opt to choose a CommerceHQ. Never again have you worries about hidden transaction fees and other monetary issue, even if you are starting out and still trying to get your name out of the world. Just imagine that when we are start doing something decent numbers, this small amount of percentage we pay here and there add up with a massive amount over the time definitely will be a misful. 2% of $1,100 in a month gross revenue is $2,000, which is $24,000 in a year. The fifth is unlimited staff account. As I mentioned before, our ultimate goal in a dropshipping business is a branded niche store. By reaching to that status, we probably will have 10 staff with us because we are not Rambo or solo player. But regardless of how big or small business is, the fact of the matter is that a little help will go a long way. With a CommerceHQ, I can create unlimited admin account or even set a limitation in terms of the access of our whole website. This way, only select a few menus around my website page without throwing all of my hard work away in a blind of an eye. The sixth is 99% uptime. This term over CommerceHQ is a waste work to ensure my website will almost never have a downtime for its smooth, steady and continue operate. After all, I never know whether the potential buyer may come and pay me a visit. The seventh personal I like is one account, one fees, but multiple store. For sure, many of us eventually will end up have several different type of a store. But in other e-commerce platforms, you need to have a different account. CommerceHQ address this by ensuring we can make sure it's easy to shift over a multiple store of access under one account, rather than building a new account for every new store and getting charged for every new store along the way. This I like. The CommerceHQ can help us to create a new store under one same account to build a several store. On an e-commerce platform, we could probably respond for around $700 in the fees of each month, but we could easily having a 3-4 store in CommerceHQ and far lesser price. So if you want to have a look on a CommerceHQ, I have left the link below, which you can start up your dropshipping store with just a $99 per month. With all the apps are free, plus additional 2 more stores for you. Yes, 3 stores just for $99 per month net, without any further hidden costs or transaction fees. If you are interested, you can sign up for 14 days trial. Here are some major features that can help us to boost up our revenue, which I like. The first one is the one-click upsells. After customer makes a purchase, I am able to present a discount with a timer and allow the customer buy again without re-entering their payment detail. The second is upsales campaign builders. So they build out my custom discount promotion that encourage customer to buy more for my store. And the third is a native app to increase the conversion rate, create a sense of urgency and display social proof to get a customer buy without hesitations. I have some other goodies for sure. I understand that we may need some more ensure to success on our online business. I'm not lying when I say that CommerceHQ is truly one heck of a Swiss deal, but we can measure by ourselves. So I summary list below are the most noteworthy features that CommerceHQ in a store that is potential their clients. All are reason that I chose its platform to kickstart my dropshipping business and starting seeing sales flow in. The first one is an exclusive partnership. Get access to exclusive pricing and integrating with print-on-demand vendors. And the second one is an automatic gift. Build automatic gift card campaigns to encourage my user to buy more again. And third is a coupon code, offer a discount to get my customer to buy more. And the fourth is unlimited products. Create as many products as I like and with easy. Unlimited file storage. Upload as many assets as I need to my store. Advanced reporting. Gain insight into my business activities with an in-depth report. Related products, upsells customer by displaying related product across my store. SSL secure checkout, this is what I most like. Every store comes with a SSL for free. Inventory management. Manage large amount of inventory with easy as a multiple fulfillment centers. And a customer profile, and this I like the most. View all my customer activity in just one consolidated page. And a pixels management, add and manage tracking pixels on any store page with easy. SVR exporting builders. Build custom order SVR template that suit my need. And the last one is the unlimited bandwidth. With a CommerceHQ CDN cloud architectures that can handle of our traffic needed. All the features above that I mentioned is free and including in our account. So here almost end of the video. Here may be one question from you. Who is a CommerceHQ for? Well, for me, CommerceHQ is a great for many type of entrepreneurs. I would even go as far as I saying that it's a great for everyone. First is for the beginners are given a highly intuitive platform that can learn very quickly. Even if they are barely starting out, the CommerceHQ make it easy for them to create an advanced store without taking too long. Nevertheless, one user can be explore this platform in an entire for offer advanced tools that are not easy to find or can be costly on a similar platform, and then let them build their store in the next levels. And those who on restrict budget can also save a tons with it. We just need to pay a little bit more upfront, but we can save of at least $100 thanks to not having each app separately. Let us write up for the review on the CommerceHQ Pro. For CommerceHQ are good platform. The platform are powerful and offer a lot of lists of features and tools that let me fully customize my store to fit all the functions that I want. And second one is the all-in-one. All other features already built into a platform itself, so it's possible that it can be cancelled with just one payment. And the third is a good trial. The trial version offer enough time for me to get a completely feel of the platform is a possibility, and you can click the link below on the descriptions, which is a 14-day trial with a 2-store free for you. And the fourth is the design. The design is intuitive and many can get grab on it, a function that how fair quickly, yet it do not keep it being a powerful tool and even advanced entrepreneur can explore to their benefit. The fifth is the built-in applications. Offer many built-in applications for boosting conversion rate and the overall profitable on my online store. Number 6 is easy to use. The store building functionality is simpler than other platform. So building out my business is faster, especially considering that all the teams and applications are already on the platform. And the 7 is no transaction fees. There's only monthly subscription fees. No hidden costs, no transaction fees like other platforms. And lastly is a one-click migrations. Just one click, I can migrate from another platform to CommerceHQ. Very easy, including product and collections as well. Room of improvement on CommerceHQ is the first one is the tutorial. Since this is the less popular platforms compared to the others, finding tutorial and guide can be a little bit limited. But no worry, if you need more, please let me know and leave me a comment below. I can make more videos and related to the CommerceHQ. And the second one is the support. They are using ticketing system and email system. No live chat, no mobile app. When I mean urgent, the fastest way and the only way is through the email. And the fastest response time I can get is 2 hours. So here you are. I expressed my personal view on the things I like on the CommerceHQ and things I don't. But I know there is no single platform that can perfectly suit to everyone without any complaints. But the money I pay to CommerceHQ is much more worth compared that I pay to another platform. Thank you for watching. If you are first time watch my video, please subscribe my channels and give me a thumbs up. Turn on the bell as well. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget leave me a comment if you have any thought, ideas, and would like to share with me. I will reply them personally. So good luck in your dropshipping store.